If you're thinking about switching from ChatGPT to Claude, the biggest mistake people make is starting over from scratch, which means you lose all of your context that ChatGPT learned about you. You lose your workflow preferences, your business style, and sometimes months of training. But there's actually a simple way that you can migrate your AI memory from ChatGPT to Claude so that Claude starts working for you immediately. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move from ChatGPT over to Claude without losing everything your AI already knows about you. It only takes a few minutes. Let's jump on in. All right, so just the other day, I published a post on our Facebook group. By the way, it's our free Facebook group. If you're not a member, please join us. You'll learn a ton about AI. And it says, are you ready to jump ship and move from ChatGPT over to Claude? Well, there's 4 simple steps that we're going to take. We're going to begin with prompt number 1, and we're just going to copy and paste that over. So again, I'm going to pull this right out of the Facebook group, make it super simple. We're going to go into ChatGPT, and we're going to post this directly into your account. Now, depending on what memory you have in place, this will generate different results for you, but that's important because we're going to use this in just a moment to go to our next step. So let's see where we're at. It's going to think for a moment. It's going to give us some information just so you don't have to watch paint dry. We'll go ahead and pause while this works its way through. All right, so we're done. We're going to go ahead and copy this directly out of ChatGPT. Just as simple as that. We're going to go put this inside a Google document that I need to have and reference it later. Here's everything we've got. We've got all this information here, 12 pages worth in my case. And now we're going to go back and go to prompt number 2 that we've got. So here's our prompt number 2. We're going to literally copy and paste this back into ChatGPT. We're going to stay in the same flow where we're at. We're going to paste that in, and we're going to highlight this part right here, and we're going to paste in all the stuff we've got. Now, there's a lot of information. It's going to take just a second while it processes this, but notice this is a simple process that we're going through, just prompt by prompt, and it'll help you get everything you need to move from ChatGPT over to Claude. All right, prompt number 2 is done. We've run both of those in the same conversation. Once again, we're going to copy this so we've got it for reference, and now we're going to begin going over to Claude. So we're going to run over to Claude, and I'm going to go back to my Facebook post, prompt number 3. This prompt goes directly into Claude. And what I need to do is grab my context right there. I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to grab all of the information. There we go. And I'm just going to put master context. It's attached. So if Claude does like this and just attaches it, just go ahead and update it just like that. Say attached, and we're going to press enter. It's now going to go ahead and create step 3 that we need to do. While it's thinking, we'll let it go here a minute, and I'll pause and come right back. All right, and just like that, our project instructions are done. So we're going to see that put over here. We're going to let it finish. There we go. And we're going to click copy to go ahead and copy this. Now, we've got everything we need, but we need to do one more step in order to make sure Claude knows who we are when we want to use it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our menu here. We're going to go into projects, and we're going to create a new project and name it yourself. So this is Jonathan Mast. I can even put from ChatGPT if I want to. I can put in a description if I want. We'll just put information transferred from ChatGPT memories over to Claude. And who do I want to make it available to? I'm on my team plans. I'll just make this one for me right now. We'll create the project, and then underneath our files, we need to go ahead, or I'm sorry, our instructions, we need to add in what we just copied out. Super easy. We're literally just going to copy and paste that into our instructions. And you can see it's added that. We're ready to go. And now I can go ahead and start prompting Claude and knowing that it's going to respond as me. I can do a new chat, and it may not all be there. So we always make sure you want to save that. You're going to go under projects, go right back to Jonathan Mast, and then enter your stuff right there. Anytime you're in this project, you're going to have all that ChatGPT memory brought over. Now, the good news is as you start using Claude, it'll develop its own memory about you. But this way you can get started without losing hardly a thing, probably nothing that matters along the way. And that's it. You've now moved the most important part of your AI setup, your context, from ChatGPT to Claude, which means you don't have to spend weeks retraining a new assistant. Now Claude already understands how you work, how you communicate, and what your business needs. If you're trying to actually implement AI inside your business, not just play with the tools, well, we share workflows like this every week inside our AI Prompts for Entrepreneurs Facebook group. It's free to join, and that's where we break down real AI use cases for entrepreneurs just like you. The link's below. Join us. Oh, and if this video helped, make sure to subscribe here because we're pushing 2 new important AI implementation videos every week. I'll see you on the next one.